Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the Marsback Zephyr Pro gaming mouse. Now what makes this unique is that, yeah, it has a lot of RGB going on, but it's all about the RGB fan. You heard right. There's a fan inside this mouse. You ask why? I'll answer. It's designed for people with sweaty palms. So should I be offended that Marsback reached out and asked me if I wanted to review this? I don't know. I mean, it's not like we've met. It's not like they know whether I've got sweaty palms or not, unless they've been perusing YouTube looking for fingerprints. In any event, if you are one of those people that finds that even a light gaming round will end up netting some sweaty palms, this might be the mouse for you. It's $59 US. It is wired. I do prefer wireless gaming mice. I'm also not a huge fan of overkill RGB, so we'll see. You know, this is all going to be about what the ergonomics are like, and of course, what that palm cooling RGB fan is like. So we've got a fairly long braided cable out of the box. Let's go ahead and remove the mouse itself. And, you know, Marsback, when they reached out about this, I really wanted to review their keyboard. This was all they had in stock. So I said, all right, I'll take a look. This is the first Marsback product I'll be using. I should say testing. I don't know how long I'll last with this. You know, I've never thought of something like this. I am going to plug it in so we can see what it's like. A little bit of a crazy design going on here. There's no question about that. But it should be interesting. So I believe we have an RGB LED running around the base, and then of course the fan, and then light gets emitted everywhere. Feels really lightweight. No weights in this to my knowledge. You see there's a button on the bottom here for fan control as well as the light, so that's interesting. And yeah, I'm gonna plug this thing in. Let's see what else is in here. It looks like just some paperwork. I give Marsback you know, a lot of credit for the packaging, because quite frankly, you don't see creative packaging anymore, do you? It's just like shove the accessory in a box and it's going to sell itself. So Marsback, not just another box. I give them credit for that. And this is certainly not just another mouse. I mean, it's for people with sweaty palms. So let's go ahead and open up the cord here. I'm not going to start gaming right now. Sorry for anyone that was getting excited. But let's just see what this thing looks like. See if I can power it on. That should be live right there. All right, we got power going to it. Does the Marsback want to light up? Maybe not. I thought this would light up for sure, but I'm not getting anything. So I have another route I could go since the USB hub is not. I do see the laser, frickin' laser, but it doesn't seem to be powering on, which is odd. Let me go ahead and try connecting it to an actual laptop. So right here I have, as you might have imagined, I don't have to go very far to get a gaming machine. So let's just grab one and see what it looks like. So I've got the Lenovo Legion 7 Slim right here, which is a pretty popular machine, and for good reason. It also may be why Marsback, you know, reached out to me after they saw that. But let's go ahead and plug it in and see what it looks like coming out of this thing, because I'm just curious what this mouse is going to look like. Again, I'm not doing a gaming session, so don't get too excited about what's about to transpire, but got to make this thing work somehow, right? Unless I need to load up software, which if I do, it's not happening in this video. I'll tell you that right now. So let me go ahead and crank that open. Let's power this thing up, and there we have it. So the Marsback just gave me a twitch. Let's see. Here we go, here we go. Oh yeah. So you're starting to see, bring the laptop onto my lap, you're starting to see what makes this Marsback tick. A little bit crazy. Again, the design is kind of wild, but this is the star of the show. That fan that is blowing smoke. Now I don't feel it. Well, I barely feel it. Let's go ahead and crank it up. You ready for this? All right. I think there are 3 levels. I'm yet to actually really... I mean, I guess it's cooling. I guess so. This is unique. I mean, I don't really know what to make of this. Again, it's incredibly light, but I don't know how much I feel. That sounds odd when I say it out loud, but I'm really not sure. You know what? I'm starting to feel it cool. Who knows? This might be great for me after all. But so basically, lighting control right here with this dedicated button. Let's go ahead and cycle through things. I should have put probably a warning regarding epilepsy with this. All right, I'm seeing red here, breathing to green. It's definitely interesting. And at $60, if sweaty palms are your main concern and RGB, this might be exactly what you need. There you turn off the fan and the rest of the lighting. You just have the scroll wheel blinking. It's not blinking. It is blinking because I'm shooting at 60 frames per second, but the human eye is not going to see that transition, for anyone wondering. In fact, this would all be solid. So whatever you see blinking, consider solid. But yeah, pretty interesting. Yeah, it definitely is cooling. I do feel it now, and this is actually interesting stuff. Hopefully I'm not making the Legion go crazy. Yeah, I'm going to have to give this a test. Pretty interesting, Marsback. I want to try that keyboard, though. The keyboard, the 60%, is what I'm really interested in. But this may end up becoming something of use. Who knows? If not, if you're lucky, you may be getting one from me soon. Any questions or comments about the Marsback Zephyr Pro gaming mouse? Please feel free to post them. Hit that like button. And as usual, please feel free to subscribe and please stay safe. Later.